Hello everyone, my name is Bernardino Erros Jalu. In here, I'm trying to explain about the microprocessor. Before I start explaining, I apologize if there is the use of word and pronunciation that are not quite right in my explanation. A microprocessor is a computer processor where the data processing logics and control is included on a single integrated circuit. A small number of integrated circuits. The microprocessor is a multi-purpose clock-driven register-based digital integrated circuit that accepts binary data as input, process it according to instructions stored in its memory, and provides result as output. Microprocessor contain both combination logics and sequential digital logics. Microprocessor operate on numbers and symbols represented in the binary number system. The integration of whole CPU into a single or a few integrated circuits using very large scale integration or VLSI greatly reduce the cost of processing power. Integrated circuit processors are produced in large number by highly automation metal oxide semiconductor or MOS fabrication process, result in a relatively low unit price. Single chip processor increase reliability because there are many fewer electrical connections that code file. As microprocessor design improve the cost of manufacturing a chip or with smaller components built on a semiconductor chips the same size, generally stay the same according to Rock's law. Before microprocessor, small computers had been built using racks of circuit boards with many medium and small and scale integrated circuit, typically of TTA type. Microprocessor combine this into one or few large scale IGS. The first commercially available microprocessor was the Intel 404. Continue increase in microprocessor capacity have since rendered other form of computer almost completely obsolete. With one or more microprocessor used in everything from the smallest embedded system and handheld device to large mainframes and supercomputer. Because I don't have the real microprocessor in my hand, I will show the image of microprocessor. This one, this one, this and this. Yes, this is microprocessor. Many companies are ended in microprocessor. One of the most famous is Intel. The complexity of an integrated circuit is bound by physical limitation on the number of transistors that can be put onto one chip. The number of package termination that can connect the processor to other part of the system. The number of interconnection it is possible to make on the chip, and the heat that the chip can dissipate. Advancing technology makes more complex and powerful chips feasible to manufacture. Opportunity, physical limitation of integrated circuit made such practice as a bit approach necessary. Instead of processing all of a long word on one integrated circuit, multiple circuit and in parallel process subset of each word will is required extra logic to handle, for example, carry and overflow within each reach. The result was a system that couple handle. For example, 332-bit word using integrated circuit with capacity for only 4 bits each. The ability to put large number of transistors on one chip make it feasible to integrate memory on the same day as the processor. The CPU chips has the advantage of faster access than off-chips memory and integrates the processing speed of the system for many applications. Processor clock frequency has increased more rapidly than external memory speed. To change memory is necessary if the processor is not to be delayed bits. It's not to be delayed by slower external memory. In my opinion, the best microprocessor is a microprocessor made from Intel because it has been tested and because it is also well famous. Can I talk like this? So, thank you for attention and see you again.